Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publisher video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you class 4 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publisher official website. Look at the unit number 2. We will start our lesson from unit number 2, words matter. In this lesson, we will read the text of this unit. The words matter. Let's discuss what does it mean. It is about the words we use and say to the people around us. Are we really act on the words we say to the people? Are we really stick to it, to the words, or keep promises we made? This unit is about keeping promises and the significance of promises, the importance of promises. So we will find out what are the promises and what is the importance of promises by reading this text. SLOs of this lesson are: understand the significance of promise, know the importance of keeping promises in life, learn the role of promises in maintaining various relationships. Look at the page number 9. We have a pre-reading activity here. These questions are for you. Do you always speak truth? Think about it. Do you always speak the truth? Look at the second one. Does your mother promise to give you sweets when you behave well at home? Yes, most of the mothers do that. When children behave well, they give them sweets as a reward. Do you help your younger brother, sister in doing their homework? Do you really help your siblings, younger siblings, in doing their homework? So in this unit, we will read about the boy Bilal, who was worried and he saw a dream. What happened in his dreams, and in this lesson we will find out by reading this text. Let's start from here, from paragraph 1. Bilal completed his homework and went to sleep, praying to Allah to save him from punishment. Tears spilled down his cheeks. Spilled down means rolled down. आंसू क्या गिर रहे थे? उसके आंसू आंखों से गिर रहे थे. He did not share his worries with anyone. Worries means tension or trouble. परेशानी जिसको हम कहते हैं. His prayers were accepted. During his sleep, Bilal had a dream. He saw that his room was filled with beautiful light. A honey fragrance was all around. Fragrance means sweet smell. So Bilal completed his homework and he went to sleep, but he was praying to Allah to save him from punishment. He was little worried and he was also crying. When he went to sleep, his prayers were accepted by Allah. What he saw, he had a dream. He saw that his room was filled with beautiful lights. A honey fragrance was all around. He can smell the sweet smell of honey in his dream. Now look at this line. The second paragraph is starting from here. Through the cluster of colors, he saw his father voicing his promises. Voicing means speaking. Cluster means when things gathered in a group, it's called cluster. Gathered in a group. Let's move to another page. He said, I shall provide you with food, clothes, and education. I shall take you to the doctor when you're sick. I promise to buy you a bicycle if you get good marks in school. I promise to work hard to give you a bright future. In this paragraph, we see that Bilal saw his father in his dream and he was speaking of his promises as a father. What were the duty of his as a father? He was speaking of this, that I will provide you food, education, all the things you need, and also give you reward in form of bicycle if you get good marks, if you work hard, and I will work hard to give you a bright future. So these were his father promises. And all this is happening in Bilal's dream. He's having a dream right now. So what happened next? Look at the paragraph 3 here. Then next, his mother appeared and said, "Oh my child, I shall stitch the button of your shirt. You go to school tomorrow. I shall give you sweet noodles to eat in recess because you launch for them." Launch for them, wish for them. "I shall prepare delicious lunch when you come back from school." So, in this paragraph, you can see his mother appeared in his dream and he was saying of his promises as a mother. Stitch means सीना, कोई चीज सुई धागे से सीना, बटन सीने का बोल रही है वहां पर उसकी माँ. "I shall give you sweet noodles in recess because you launched for it." And she also promised to make delicious food for him when he came back from school. Now, what happened next? Look who appeared in his dream next. Look at the paragraph 4 here. At the other corner of the room, Bilal saw his teacher standing. As she looked at him closely, she said, "I promise to make you learn. I promise to be patient with you at your mistakes." Patient means sabr rakhne wala. "I promise to guide you in the time of need. I promise to help you succeed in life." Kamyab, succeed, kamyab. Then his teacher appeared and she was speaking of her promises as a teacher. She promised him to make him learn, to be patient with his mistakes, and to guide him when he needs her the most, and to help him to make him succeed in his life. Now look at the 5th paragraph here. Who comes next in his dream? As soon as his teacher finished her promises, a bright light entered through the door. Bilal saw his school principal entering the room. He was telling about the promises he had made. "I promise to provide you with qualified teacher. I promise to give you a fresh, healthy and creative school environment." Here the creative school environment means an environment where children can learn through activities, through creative activities like writing, drawing, other activities. "I promise to award you with prize on merit." Here merit means kabiliyat. So when teacher finished his promises, the principal entered the room. He was speaking of his promises as a principal he had made to give him qualified teachers. Qualified means educated and capable of teaching, and to healthy and fresh environment, to creative environment, to learn things, and to give him award on merit. Dear student, for now on, these paragraph enough, and we will continue our lesson, our unit in next lesson. तो हमने इस लेसन में एक लड़के बिलाल के बारे में पढ़ा जो कि बहुत परेशान था और उसने अपनी परेशानी किसी के साथ शेयर नहीं की थी और वो रो रहा था. जैसे ही वो सोया उसकी दुआ कबूल हो गई और उसने अपने ख्वाब में खूबसूरत रोशनी और शहद की खुशबू सूंघी और उसने एक ख्वाब देखा जिसमें पहले उसके फादर आए जो कि अपने प्रॉमिसेस बता रहे थे एज अ फादर. फिर उसके बाद उसकी मदर आई और एज अ मदर जितनी भी उसके प्रॉमिसेस थे उसकी मदर वो दोहरा रही थी. उसके बाद उसकी टीचर और प्रिंसिपल आए. तो हम इस कहानी के बारे में और जानेंगे अपने अगले लेसन में. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द एक्सरसाइज. वी विल डू दिस 3 questions only from the text we have read. Now look at the first question here. Why was Bilal worried about his homework? Yes, you can find this answer here in this paragraph. on page number 9. Look at the second one. What did his father promise in his dreams? Yes, you have to write about his father promises. In this paragraph, you can find the promises of his father. Now look at the third one. What was his mother's last promise in the dream? Yes, you can find the answer of the third question here in this paragraph. I hope, dear students, you have enjoyed my lesson. Thank you.